Hello and welcome to the video walk around of the 2010 Land Rover Freelander 2 TD4 in metallic green finish with a 19-inch of Land Rover alloy wheels. The vehicle's got front and rear parking sensors and a privacy glass. Split folding rear seats. And the front view of the vehicle is got front forks and a headlamp washers. Full leather interior with 5 headrests, ISOFIX for child seat preparation, a rear center armrest with some cup holders and some storage department, front side and rear airbags for your safety. So here we have the electric windows and folding mirrors. It's got Alpine sound system on the vehicle, twin electric seats with a electric lumbar support and memory driver side. It's got auto headlights, a push button to start, and a automatic transmission, terrain adjustments, some cup holders in the middle, a 12-volt power outlet, some storage department, another 12-volt power outlet next to the auxiliary. It's got touchscreen satellite navigation, a multifunction steering wheel with the cruise control on the left hand side, air conditioning with a dual zone climate control, front heated windscreen, heated seats, Bluetooth hands-free connectivity, DAB radio, FM radio, multi-CD changer, Dolby Pro Logic 2 surround system, DAB radio. It's got auto rear view dimming mirror, a panoramic glass roof with tilt inside one bit, both driver and passenger side armrests, and in the glove box we have the user manual. This was the video walk around of the 2010 Land Rover Freelander 2 TD4. To book a test drive or for any further information, please give us a call. Thanks for watching.